With AI growing quicker than the bubbles in soda water, hackers are getting smarter and their number is rising faster than ever before. So, in 2024 or further, if your password looks something like this, you need to watch this video. And if it looks something like this, you definitely need to watch this video. Because by the end, we will turn these passwords into these passwords using this app. Yep, using WhatsApp.
Lights, camera, action. I'm the main attraction. Post it up to get the reaction.
Passwords are super important. They keep our phones, computers, apps, money, emails, and a lot of other things secure. The math behind their rules is so simple that even school kids can understand it. Imagine, your password or PIN is only one character long. It could be any of these 10 numbers. And if I try randomly, I would take a maximum of 10 attempts to get your PIN right. And I said maximum. Since there are only 10 possibilities, the second or third guess might also be correct. Now imagine, I can use both English alphabets and digits in the password. So the possible answers rise from 10 to 36. With capitals and small alphabets, it goes to 62. With 32 special symbols, it can go up to 94. With 94 different possibilities, it already sounds difficult for an idiot to hack into my account. When I raise the allowed characters from 1 to 2, with each of the 94 characters, there are 94 other possibilities of the second character. So the possible combinations rise from 94 to 94 into 94. That is 8836. But we never use 2-character passwords either. The general rule here is to have minimum 8 characters with lower and uppercase alphabets, numbers, and special symbols, making total of more than 6,000 combinations. If someone tried every single possible combination manually, while being fast enough to type each password in just 2 seconds, it would take them almost 400 million years, which is just practically unrealistic.
You know what? I follow them. All of these rules. You can never guess my password.
Is it I love SRK with an exclamation mark instead of I and 0 instead of O and SRK in all caps?
What? How did you know? Oh my god, I am so hacked. I said I'm hacked. You don't have to beep it.
Okay, sorry.
No, but seriously, how did you guess it?
The poster,
Was it that obvious?
it's always that obvious. Even if these combinations look mathematically impossible to crack, we have an outrageously stupid tendency of setting our passwords emotionally. We use things or people we love, important dates like birthdays or anniversaries, cell phone numbers, or chanting of our favorite god. And if someone knows these things about you, for them, the possible combinations get reduced from trillions to hardly a few dozens. With our social media activities, these details are super easy to grab. As our data from Gmail, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, WhatsApp groups, and 100 other different places gets available on the internet, hackers process them at lightning speed with advanced software and techniques. And with the help of AI writing software for them, even inexperienced hackers can be quite dangerous. Just how I easily guessed the password.
Yeah, but it was more like a fluke. If you tried 3 or more different combinations, my bank would block you immediately, and Gmail would send me a notification on my phone. So I don't think I'm that unsafe.
That's a fair point, but who said anything about banks and Gmail? Actually, this brings us to another one of our harmful online practices. We don't just access Gmail or banks, right? We browse hundreds of different websites every month for shopping, downloads, reading, entertainment, and whatnot. Most of these websites ask you to make accounts, and to make sure we don't forget the password, we tend to repeat the same password pretty much everywhere. So the hackers will attack the small-scale shopping website, grab your credentials, and try them on real juicy places like your investment app, or work email, or in some cases, even banks. With some simple steps, this situation can be easily handled. First of all, we need to detach our passwords from our personality and emotions and make it truly random. We need to make it longer, like at least 15-16 characters long. For God's sake, we need more than one password, at least 5 of them to be safe. Use different passwords at different places. I know what you are thinking. How to make these passwords?
That and how to even memorize them.
Take your note and pen because we have got you covered. First, let's build a dummy random password. I will take the I love SRK as the reference and modify it. To make it more complex, I will first expand it and use some synonyms, like Badshah for SRK. In fact, let's make it Badshah Khan. He is world famous for his charisma, and the Gen Z word for that is Riz. So let's mix that and make it Riz of Badshah Khan. This is already 17 characters long, but we can do even better. Add a completely random string like HQWPT in the middle of the password. Awesome. But these are just lower and uppercase alphabets. Let's add some numbers and special characters.
Okay, just for your information, we need to remember these passwords.
I know, but before that, keep R small, I caps, use hash instead of first Z, keep the second Z as is, change the casing of the random sequence like make HQP caps, replace O with 0 and F with again hashtag, keep B small, use @ instead of A, turn D caps, keep as is, HA caps, H as is, K caps, 4 instead of H, AN as is, and an exclamation mark at the end.
I guess you didn't hear me. I said memorize with an M.
I did hear you and I will get to that. So have patience with the P. Pretty please. Your password is 23 characters long, and 23 characters means hundreds of trillions of possible character combinations. I showed this thought process to lay down the importance of these rules and true randomness. Fortunately enough, you don't have to brainstorm so hard because we have multiple AI platforms that can do similar tasks for you. In this video, we are gonna use Meta AI from WhatsApp and ask it to come up with some passwords for you. All you have to do is to make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. If not, go to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store and update it. Once done, tap on this gradient halo ring icon. This is how you can chat with AI on WhatsApp. As an oversimplified intro, this is WhatsApp's AI chatbot. It will talk to us, respond to us, and in most cases, follow our instructions. Copy this prompt from the description box of this video and paste it in your chat with Meta AI. And congratulations! Your absolutely free, unhackable passwords are ready. Now for the part this emoji dude has been pestering us about. How to memorize it. And the answer is, you don't have to memorize them. There is actually a professional solution for this. Password managers. Password managers are apps for securely storing, managing, and generating complex passwords. They work on phones, tablets, and computers. Many password managers also offer additional features like complex password generation and autofill for login forms. You can use free options like Bitwarden and Google Password Manager, or you can go for the paid ones like LastPass or Dashlane. With that said, now you can rest easy, sleep peacefully, and roam around freely without worrying about some newbie AI hacker poking around your accounts and passwords, because they are definitely not getting past these strong barriers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below and I will super gladly respond to them ASAP. Share this video with your friends, family, children, elderly, colleagues, and all your dear ones and help them stay digitally secure. This has been Dhwani and I will see you in the next one.
I'm getting the hits, like and subscribe for the algorithm. Hey, I'm bringing in that